All right, so today on our how-to videos, we're going to show you how to apply a cut vinyl onto a flat surface. In this case, we're actually applying on a box truck, but you can use the same technique for applying to a wall, a window, a door, any flat surface. So we're gonna put this right up here. All right, so one trick that I've learned over the years of applying vinyl is to pre-peel the backing. So by doing this, it helps to make sure that when you're actually in the middle of applying, that letters are not going to end up coming up onto the backing instead of staying on the transfer tape. Do that side. That's called pre-peeling. One thing you always want to remember before applying anything is that you need a clean surface. Any dirt, debris, dust that is between your vinyl's adhesive and whatever you're trying to get it on will cause it to possibly fail, ending up in it falling off sooner than it should or peeling and just looking bumpy in general. So I'm just using isopropyl alcohol and paper towels and wiping down the area very well where we're going to apply our decal. So there's lots of different ways of applying decals. For this shape, what I think is easiest for me is doing a hinge from the top. So what that means is I'm going to tape this top section a couple times, making sure that nothing is going to move. Next, what I can do is remove this stuff. I'm going to make sure I have my squeegee on hand. If you don't have a squeegee, sometimes I've seen people using a credit card or things like that from home. We'll pick this up and peel back the backing, and this is where that pre-peeling really comes in handy. So I peeled it about halfway down, and I'm holding this very taut so everything looks smooth. There's not any wrinkles or anything like that that might cause us problems. So while squeegeeing, I'm going to angle the squeegee in a way that I'm pushing the air out, and we're also overlapping. What we don't want to do is skip a line, as that's how we end up with air bubbles. I'm going to remove this masking from the top and go ahead and just do one final firm squeegee. Make sure it got it nice and stuck on the vehicle. And then we can remove our masking and then our transfer tape. While I'm removing the transfer tape, we're going to make sure to go slowly just in case anything does start coming up and we have to go back over it with the squeegee. Looks like everything has adhered very well. Like I said, we're not trying to rip it off super fast. Nice and slow, paying attention to everything as we go. And that's how you apply a vinyl . Well, if y'all liked what you saw, you learned something today, get on there, like it, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Y'all have any other ways you would have gone about applying this? Hope this was helpful. Thanks.